This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Parfit. This maintenance-free home is an absolute gem with a beautiful lake view, located in the stunning community of Lexington. This fabulous two-story townhome is located on a premium corner lot with a big common ground side yard perfect for playing catch. Plenty of natural light as well as recessed lighting, with volume ceilings, 8 sliders and a 8-glass exterior door. Great layout for entertaining with all the bedrooms upstairs, a big family/dining room with crown molding and a large screened-in lanai for grilling out. Premium upgrades include custom window treatments, cabinetry, tiled shower and bath, new carpet downstairs. The hot water heater was recently replaced and a new roof installed in January. Includes a washer, dryer and refrigerator. Lots of parking and a 2-car garage. Ideal location in the fastest growing area just north of Lakewood Ranch and minutes from the Outlet Mall and I-75. Lexington offers amazing amenities with low HOA dues, a community pool and a splash area with lounge chairs, tennis courts and a basketball court. For more information, review the details below.